So today I'm looking at my Samsung Soundbar. It is a Samsung HWKM45C. 24 volts input there, my optical output or input there, the actual audio in. The soundbar itself is actually okay. The subwoofer itself is just not connecting. Just brought it out here where I can more easily show it on video. It's usually behind my couch, but so this is the PSWK450 subwoofer, and it's just not connecting. I've actually pushed the button for the ID set. You can see that ID set. You just have to take something like a paper clip, hold it. You can feel the little button, just hold it for more than 5 seconds and you'll see it change states to blink in the Bluetooth light. At that point the sound bar should still be off, and we actually are going to need the sound bar remote. With the soundbar remote, with the power still off, we're going to press and hold the mute button for 5 seconds. And it says ID set. So what we have to do now is power it on. And our light just went steady. Just test something out and see if the subwoofer works now. Oh yeah. So that got that back working. Easy enough to do, just I didn't have my owner's manual readily available. It took me a little while to figure out that procedure. Thought I'd do a quick video as I done it. Had nothing else to remind me of myself later. I don't know why this one disconnected. I don't know if it's going to be problematic or it's a one-time thing. If this helped you get yours connected as well, just give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.